Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is a very short update for Bitcoin, what happened and what it might happen before the close of the day and the close of the week. And don't forget, we're coming to a weekend. We might range sideways probably, or we might be very impulsive like the last weekend. So be careful as well what it might happen. One more thing, I would just like make it clear for you guys that this channel is made here to lead to the right path for the price action for Bitcoin and many other altcoins as well, as much as possible. Give always the highest possibility and between bullish and bearish. I never been sided to one side. Like I have to be bullish the whole time, like many channels do. And of course, those many channels, of course, I'm facing right now a strike. Not a YouTube strike. It's like a strike, just like competition strike that I'm wrong with my analysis, and that is nothing bearish. And yeah, also some unfortunately some subscribers in the Discord channel has made a mistake today. I don't know if it is made by the channels that if they send them to do this, but they try to marketing this channel, which is saying against, of course, my analysis, and they published, of course, a very contractorial, like contrary analysis to my own here, and of course marketing the other channel. So with my all respect channel, I hope that the owner did not, of course, send him by himself or something like this. And yeah, I mean, I don't care at the end, but it's not nice, guys. And just I want to say that this channel again is not a moon boy here. Is just when it is bearish, I would say it very loud and clear that it is bearish. When it is bullish, I would say also very happily and loud and clear that it is bullish. Thank you for your understanding. So in Bitcoin, we are facing one of the two scenarios. As you know, we have, of course, a very strong bearish pressure, all right, selling pressure. As we saw also on the KGT, we have sell conversions. We have, of course, invalidation of a divergence and bullish. First invalidation, second invalidation of bullish, and now we're looking for this signal. Now this signal, which is of course not the strongest, but if we go to the weaker, well, okay, we have a divergence. Let's see how much this divergence will hold on. Yeah, but because if we get a little bit weaker, we see even more selling pressure. And all these selling pressures are very conversions and working with the price action. Now, the thing that it might happen, the possibilities with this bullish signal here. So as you see, KGT has been built up, of course, to tell us what is the environment. Is it bearish or bullish? And it tells you which point you have to look at. And exactly at this point right now, what it can hold on the bullish. Now, the scenarios are the following. Whether we are, of course, in an A, B, and a C toward the downside, touching the 1-to-1 fib level 93K, or between this area. So between this area, we need, of course, to hold on this bullish signal that we got it as a divergence, knowing that it's still a little bit weak. It needs a little bit one more low to get stronger. If this low stays between the 93K and the current price action, meaning we need to hold on here in the weekend, and we start to see, of course, a signal of strength toward the upside, then therefore I would say, yeah, welcome to a new bullish scenario. So far, the bearish scenario is still, of course, dominating the market. Okay, so we still need one more low anyway, because this is not a finished wave anyway. So it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, an impulse at least to finish here. In case you are ABC, and then yeah, it's hard even to call it. It should be ABC like this, then ABC towards the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is your minimum right now. It is the minimum. We have to finish now this wave as 3 waves down, and then impulse toward the upside. So 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then continuation. So this has to be finished, of course, as an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, in case we are much more bearish, this is your signal, the 93K. If we break the 93K, then it's done. Okay, we're moving toward the downside. It's the biggest bearish scenario might be playing. Of course, first, before saying that we're going to 77K, there is still one more play here, A, B, and a C. Your wave C in the blue count here has to be finished, of course, as an impulsive wave. It can be, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have already double 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, finishing kind of in an ending diagonal to finish between the 1.618 for a wave C, and then start to looking for higher, meaning 80K is also possible. So these are the key levels, guys. 93K and moving down, meaning, of course, very potential to hit the 80K and start to move toward the upside probably. Unless we have to go directly to our CME gap, which is, of course, exactly this one here under the 80K, closing the CME gap. But yeah, because here, as you can see, the 80K 1.618 is already on the CME gap. What a coincidence, right? So yeah. So be careful from it. If we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, don't forget 4, 5, 4, 5, which it can close the CME gap, guys. Very, very potential scenario. But 93K is your last barrier for the bulls, of course. In case we are bullish, we want to stay in this area. Between this area, we have to stay and hold on if you are bullish. But so far, there is a lot of selling pressure, guys. I have to be honest. And yeah, trade safe. And of course, have a nice week. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.